Hey there, it's Brooks here from DocumentSnap.com, and today we're going to be talking about the new ScanSnap iX100, which is Fujitsu's new mobile scanner that can scan via USB like other ScanSnaps, or it can scan via Wi-Fi, or it can create its own Wi-Fi network if you're somewhere where there isn't a Wi-Fi network available. So the way it works is if I was scanning this at home, I would use the iX100 to connect to my Wi-Fi network, and then I would be able to scan wirelessly to a mobile device or to my computer. However, I'm not at home right now. My friend is out of town, so I've actually snuck into his house and I'm recording this on his kitchen table. And since I am not connected to his Wi-Fi network, I'm going to let the iX100 create its own. And if I do that, I can scan directly to an iOS or Android or Kindle Fire device as well. So here's how it works. The first thing we need to do is turn on the ScanSnap by just opening the door. And what that's going to do is it's going to look for a wireless network that it knows about, which it's not going to find here. And if I was to scan a piece of paper the way it is right now, it would scan the paper and send it right through the back of the scanner, which is great. But if you're in a situation where you have limited space, or if you're scanning double-sided documents, what you can do is flip this up and it will return the paper back to you, and I'll show you how that works. So I've got my iPhone here, and this will work again on, it's not an iPhone specific, it can work on Android as well. And you can see down here, it's created its own Wi-Fi network for the iX100. And the first time you connect to that, you need to put in your Wi-Fi password, which is found on the bottom of the scanner. So I'm just going to punch mine in here. And you can see it's connecting. And the light on the scanner has turned green, which is great. We're ready to scan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch now the ScanSnap Connect. And I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to put it into the ScanSnap. And it's grabbed it, and I can hit start either by hitting the scan button on the scanner, like all ScanSnaps, or I'm going to hit the scan button here in the app. So I'm going to do that right now. And you can see in the background, it's flipping the paper back to me. And you see it's scanned the first page, and now I'm going to put in the last page, and it will automatically grab it and feed that through, and I can just keep feeding paper in until it's ready to scan. And once I'm done, I'll just hit the exit button in the app, and we'll load this document up. And you can see we've got a 2-page document scanned using the ScanSnap iX100 with no wires and not connected to any existing Wi-Fi network. So this is how direct connect scanning works in the ScanSnap iX100. For more on the iX100 or other scanners or other paperless tips, head on over to DocumentSnap.com. Thanks a lot.